Great secret from the cosmetics industry. If you suffer from cracked heels, calluses on your feet, or tough skin, then this video is for you. Apply this fabulous formula based on Coca-Cola to your feet and eliminate once and for all the cracks on your feet and thick skin. To start, we'll use Dove soap, and with the help of a grater, we proceed to grate it. While I grate the soap, please, if you're so kind, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you can keep receiving more tips like this. You can also take advantage and give the video a like. Thank you. Now we take the soap to a pot and pour in a bit of Coca-Cola. Stir a bit to mix and bring to the fire for a while until the soap dissolves completely. Once our soap has dissolved as you see on the screen, set it aside. Now, in a bowl, we pour a bit of Coca-Cola and immediately add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix everything until all the lumps of starch are eliminated. This recipe to eliminate foot cracks is very effective and good. When the lumps are gone, add a tablespoon of coffee and continue stirring. The coffee acts as an exfoliant for tough and calloused skin, while the cornstarch helps with skin hydration. Mix both formulas, the recent one and the one we set aside earlier. Take this entire formula back to the fire for about a minute. Once we take it to the fire, it will have a texture like this. Now I'm going to show you how to apply it to your cracks and feet. Once we wash our feet, we apply the formula everywhere, especially in the cracked area. Make sure not to leave any spaces without applying the recipe, even on the top. Remember, it's an exfoliating and moisturizing formula. Now take plastic wrap and wrap it around the entire foot. This will make it act powerfully on them. After applying the plastic wrap, cover our feet with a sock and wait for approximately 1 hour. Please, on a scale from 1 to 10, rate our performance today. After this time, remove the sock and wash our feet with warm water. In my case, I'll do it with the little Coca-Cola I have left. Dry our feet and, with a file or pumice stone, file the affected area. What this formula will do is remove the dead skin from our feet. We can do this at least once a week. Take a bit of moisturizer and apply it to our feet. Please don't forget to share with others. If you made it this far, leave me the phrase, "I want my feet like a baby." That way, I'll know if you watched today's video.